Literally, this community has been so welcoming to me and my team. Come up here, Chelsea, Miguel and Winston, come stand up here with me. So this community has absolutely welcomed me. As I refer to myself as one man in a van with a plan, and I had no friends, no family, and I moved here to the Tri-Cities. And you guys have been so supportive. From time after time after time, you guys are referring your friends, your neighbors, and it's amazing to see that. So thank you so much for that. And another thing too is, you know, we're knowledge-based with painting. So thank you so much for coming out here on Wednesday night. Thank you.
So here to read the proclamation is Mayor Pro Tem, City of Kennewick, Steve Lee.
Steve, okay, very good.
Thank you very much. It's an exciting opportunity to welcome the growth of a business that's been serving the Tri-Cities now for quite some time. You know, when a business grows through word of mouth recommendations, that their quality is there. It's also just wonderful to see this beautiful construction project in this area. So I hope after we get done with the formalities that you all join us inside and take a look at what they've done with their space. Whereas the hallmark of a great community is its vibrant variety of businesses, and whereas the City Council of the City of Kennewick, through its policies and actions, supports and encourages economic development as a top priority and encourages development and redevelopment in Kennewick, and whereas the citizens of this entire region will benefit by this business in Kennewick, and whereas through perseverance and dedication of employer and employee alike, this business is making a positive contribution to Kennewick and the entire Tri-Cities. Now, therefore, I, Steve Lee, Mayor Pro Tem of the City of Kennewick, do hereby proclaim Smile a Mile Painting Business of the Day in the City of Kennewick, and I congratulate all associated with this business and wish you continued success. And I urge everyone to join in celebrating this growing business in our community at this ribbon cutting ceremony and to help contribute to its continued success throughout years to come.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So I'd like to cut the ribbon with Chelsea, Miguel, and Winston. And then we've got our staff and my mom and dad and some family behind us. 1, 2, 3, smile! So you guys are all invited, come inside. We have a little program. We've got some food and some beer and wine. So please make yourself at home and follow me in.